Have you ever stopped to think if you could explain, well, everything with just a small handful of words? Today we're going to go on a little journey. It starts with one single everyday word, but it's going to lead us to a hidden system designed to do exactly that. So, let's dive in.
All right, here's our word, knowledge. It seems pretty straightforward, right? But this one word, it's actually a key. And it's about to unlock a much, much bigger idea about the very nature of communication.
So that brings up a good question. What does it even mean for something to be simple? To figure that out, we're going to look at our source material for today, the Simple English Wiktionary page for knowledge. We're basically going to treat this page like evidence at a crime scene, looking for clues.
So, part one of our investigation, a surprisingly simple word. Let's start by just looking at the obvious stuff on the page that makes this entry so easy to understand.
I mean, you can see right away it does a few really clear things. It defines knowledge using even simpler words. It gives you alternatives like information, and it even shows you how it connects to the basic verb to know. It feels like everything on this page is just built for you to get it instantly. But here's the question. Is that just a coincidence, or is there something else going on here?
Well, as it turns out, there is a whole system working behind the scenes. This simplicity is absolutely not an accident. It is 100% by design. And the clue to the whole thing? It was hiding in plain sight this whole time.
Okay, look at that. Right at the bottom, buried with all the other category tags, is this one little code, BE850. It's so easy to just scroll right past it. But that tiny tag, that's our rabbit hole. That's the key to this whole puzzle.
This is the big question, right? What in the world is BE850? Because it's not just some random jumble of letters and numbers. It's a label. It's a signal telling us that this word, knowledge, is part of a very, very exclusive club. All right, it's time for the big reveal. Let's unlock the mystery of BE850.
We'll start with the number, 850. Just hold that number in your head for a second. This isn't just a random number. It is the exact number of words in a very specific, very carefully chosen vocabulary list. It's the foundation of a whole idea.
And there you have it. The BE stands for Basic English. This was a project created way back in the 1930s with this incredible goal to create a version of English that could explain almost any complex idea using a core vocabulary of, you guessed it, only 850 words. So that little BE850 tag is basically a stamp of approval. It's telling us that our word, knowledge, made the cut. It's one of the essential 850.
And boom, the page itself just comes right out and says it. This is so cool. Our word isn't just defined in a simple way, it's literally one of the fundamental building blocks used to create simplicity.
Okay, so this leads to a pretty huge question, doesn't it? How on earth can you explain everything in the world with a vocabulary that's so tiny? I mean, 850 words. How does that even work? Well, the system is actually incredibly clever. It's super efficient. Instead of needing thousands and thousands of different words, you just start with a core word from the list, like the verb know. Then, using some simple, clear rules, you can build on it to talk about a related idea, like the noun knowledge. And hey, we already saw that exact connection back on the Wiktionary page, didn't we?
And this is where it all just clicks into place. When you look back at that Wiktionary entry now, knowing about Basic English, everything makes perfect sense. Every single feature we pointed out earlier isn't just a random helpful tip, it's an instruction on how to use this 850-word toolkit. The simple definition? It's using other BE850 words. The related words? It's showing you how to build new ideas. The synonyms? They're giving you other approved words from the list. It's a complete self-contained system.
Okay, so we've covered the what and the how, but that leaves us with the biggest and maybe the most important question of all. Why? I mean, why go to all this trouble? The goal here is so much bigger than just writing a simple dictionary.
Think about it this way. Complex language can be like a giant wall. It can keep people out, whether they're learning a new language or they're just not an expert in a certain field. Basic English was designed to be a bridge. Its entire purpose is to tear down that wall and make important information accessible to absolutely everyone.
And that brings us right back to where we started. The Simple English Wiktionary is more than just a dictionary. It's the modern-day torchbearer for this incredible mission. It's a living, breathing project that's all about sharing knowledge in the clearest, most accessible way possible. So just think about the path we just took. It's kind of wild. We started with just one simple word, knowledge. That led us to a hidden code, B850. And that code opened the door to this massive, global system designed for one thing, sharing knowledge with the world. So, I'll leave you with this final thought. If you had this toolkit, this core set of 850 words designed for pure clarity, what's the one piece of knowledge you think is so important that everyone needs to understand it? What would you share?